Anybody have any announcements? Okay, down to the public comment section, Mr. Rice.
Nothing all to speak from here. I just want to say, we're so glad to have you back, and I feel so confident that the county's going to get straightened out, and I think a bunch of us are going to quit coming to these meetings, because we're not going to have to come watch over the commission board anymore. So, thanks for coming back.
Thank you. I couldn't see you back there, Miss Sabo,
I need to go.
wherever you are comfortable.
I just wanted to say about the same thing that he just got through. I want to thank the people of Bowie County for putting a person back in that can take care of our county. Yay! And us be okay. It will take a while. It won't be done overnight, but we're going to get there. Thank you.
Thank you. You know, we're all gonna have to work together to get there. And so I wanna work with everybody and pull together. If we're united, we can all win. If we're not, nobody wins, and you just keep sinking. So we're gonna pull together, we're gonna work together. If y'all noticed when he came in, all the lines are up. We're open for business. George has got his, he just only had to go a couple more inches on his.
Thank you for the coffee.
Well, thank you for the coffee. Okay. Any response to comments? We've got this Jack here to talk about the drug court grant resolution.
Yes.
There he is.
Right here. Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. This is just the, we had to redo the resolution with Judge Carl when you became judge, because it was revised where it specifically named the judge as the county official, the grant official. So instead of generic, so now you had to redo it and put your name in place. It's the same grant we've had for the last 8 years, each year. It pays for 2 officers, a counselor, and a drug court investigator.
So just a signature authority is the main thing, the only thing we're
It's just a name change, it's formality. And also the governor said we need to do a new resolution. You got another account. Same thing we had to do before when you change administrations, officials. Williams, finance fiscal officer of it. I'm the grant project director, and I use Johnny Smith as the grant writer.
Any questions? Do I hear a motion we approve and take action on the drug court grant resolution?
Judge, I make a motion that we accept and approve the 2014-2015 drug court grant resolution.
Okay, motion made by Commissioner Stone, is there a second?
Second.
Second. Motion made and seconded, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Hearing none, the motion passed. Okay.
Okay, this next one is a domestic violence caseload. It's the funds come through the office of the governor, but they actually through COG awarded this. It has a match with it, and we use the match. We're responsible, CSED, not the county, for the match. So it's just money. It's funding a caseload officer that watches, monitors these offenders closer. We've been asking for this every year in our community justice plan. The state never had money to fund it, and we looked at this year through COG, and they had monies available. So, and it's the same procedure. Had to do a new resolution. We got this last fiscal year on the grant.
Okay, any questions? Hear a motion we approve the CSCD specialized caseload grant application.
So moved.
Motion made by Commissioner Whitten, is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Stone, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Hearing none, the motion passed. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming this morning. Next item, to consider and take action to receive a report from Constable George Huggins. We've got your report here. What, do you
There's
have
my,
any comments you would like to add to it?
just that also included in that is the third and fourth quarter report, along with the racial profiling.
Anybody have any questions of Officer Huggins?
I'd just like to say, George, we appreciate your work and the report you put in, and you tell it. Great job. Appreciate it.
Hear a motion, we,
Judge, I move we accept the racial profiling report and the attachments thereto.
Motion made by Commissioner Whitten, is there a second? Second by Commissioner Ford. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Next is consider and take action to approve an application for the Texas Community Development Block Grant Program, and Ricky Wilson's here today to present that from. Anybody else need a copy? Yeah. All right, go ahead.
This is on behalf of Oak Grove Water Community, president of the board of that, and we're trying to apply to the Texas Community Development Block Grant for a grant. And the two documents there are the resolutions, and this will be an agreement between Bowie County and Oak Grove Water. We will pay all the matching money of $13.75. County will not get any money, and then we'll be responsible for all the project and the work on it.
Okay. What are you, is it new lines or what is it?
Yes, sir, it's 2 miles, we'll give you a map where we're doing. Oh.
Any other questions of Mr. Wilson?
It is, it's like 2 miles, and will help greatly on its undersized and old pipe, and then it will help greatly on the water supply and pressure unit to numerous people in this area.
This is an upgrade of an existing line.
Sir,
This is an upgrade of an existing line.
it's replacing an existing line to a bigger line, so it would be upgraded with this.
Kelly?
Any questions? Here's the engineer, Mr. Tom Pruitt, Tabor engineer.
All right. Any questions of the engineer? What size line is this going to be?
The new lines, my name's Tom Pruitt, I'm the judge, commissioner. The new lines proposed are 6-inch to start with, and then they neck down to 4-inch after a little ways.
That's replacing 2-inch line, which is
Yes,
Is there a smaller line in there now?
2-inch in there now.
yes, sir, very small, like 2-inch right now. And due to its proximity to the pump station, by increasing these pipe sizes, it'll increase pressures all over the system because it's all looped together. But on this eastern half of it, it'll really improve not just the pressure of the people that are on the direct connection, but in the whole area.
I'm sure the people that are involved out there are pleased to get this done.
Oh, I think so, very much. I think it's also been quite troublesome lining as far as repairs go. The water supply it routinely has to procure maintenance, hire somebody to come out and fix the leaks and things like that on this whole line.
Will this line be available for expansion down the road?
It will. I did a hydraulic analysis for water supply probably 6 years ago. This was based on a 30-year design. It's part of their long-term plan, master plan.
Any other questions?
How many houses approximately is this from?
The customers on there, believe, if you total the near side and far side customers,
Oh, these are all customers of ours?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that's kind of a detailed estimate. Well, that's actually what's called the application table 2. It's the rough estimate until the design is complete. I think it's 15, 20, I don't recall exactly how many there were.
It's nearly 30, 28 to 30. really.
So is there an opportunity for growth in this area still, as far as new construction or people moving in?
I guess as much as there is anywhere.
How many members is on the Oak Grove Water Supply Group?
288, I think, for the time.
Anything else? Commissioner Blackburn, would you like to make a?
Yes, I'd like to make a motion to approve the application for the Texas Community Development Block Grant Program for the Oak Grove Water Supply.
Motion made by Commissioner Blackman, is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Stone. All in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Anyone opposed? Hearing none, motion passed.
Thank you.
Appreciate coming. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Item number 8's been pulled because of the attorney needs to work with the city and some other people on it, and she asked that it be pulled. Is that right, Carol?
That's correct, Cheryl.
Well,
We're skipping number
Skip
7.
7.
Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, number 7 is consider and take action to nominate and vote on a member of the Board of Directors of the River Bend Water Resources District. And that's a replacement for me. I was on that board as a regional board member, and elected officials are not allowed to serve on that board. So I had to resign, so this replacement for me, which sounds easy, and all of the mayors, I don't know if it's all of the mayors, but a group of the mayors met and selected a person to represent them. Now, this board member represents all the small cities in the county, Bowie County, Red River County, and Atlanta, Texas, and Ona, and Avery. I think Avery's a member too. So it's kind of hard to decide on one person, and the New Boston and Hooks and Maud and Wake Village and Nash were there. So that's who they selected. So if we don't select, they recommended Jim Green from Wake Village to serve. And as far as I know, there's a consensus there. I don't know anyone that opposes him, so I'd like to if you don't mind, Commissioner Carter, make a motion that we.
I make the motion that we nominate or elect or appoint Jim Green to replace you on the River Bend Water Resources District to represent all the small cities
And the counties.
and the county.
Motion made by Commissioner Carter, is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Stone, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Anyone opposed? Hearing none, the motion passed. Jim Green will be our representative on the River Bend Water Resources District. Now, we're going to pull item number 8 and go to budget adjustments.
Don't have any.
You got any line item adjustments?
No, sir, I do not.
Transfers. Okay, you got a chance to look at the accounts payable. I looked over the accounts payable on Friday, and I saw a $147 bill from Texarkana, New Holland, which I have an interest in. Oh my gosh, I got to make a disclosure here, so. I got with the county attorney and the county clerk and got the proper forms and got it signed and filed on Friday. And I will not vote on that today, but I do want a full disclosure of anything the county might purchase from a business I have any interest in. Any questions on that? You did get it filed.
Yes, sir.
That's a good idea, Jim. Should be in trouble if you forget.
Okay, any questions on the bills?
And going further with that, it's not a problem with the rest of the city, correct?
No.
No,
Very good.
the law just requires that he follow the disclosure, he follow the disclosure properly and timely. And he's made a public disclosure and he's not gonna vote, so it's fine.
Very good.
Make a motion, we pay the bill.
Motion made by Commissioner Carter, is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Blackburn. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
I abstain. If there's no other business, is that everything we?
The minutes. Don't forget me.
Okay. Remember, this is my first time. Consider and take action to approve or amend the minutes as an order of the court.
President, make a motion to approve the minutes as previously written.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Stone, second by Commissioner Carter to approve the minutes of the previous meeting. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. Hearing none, the motion passed.
I'd like to make a motion to adjourn.
I'm gonna see if Judge Pesci wants to say anything first.
Nope. Decided, I'm waiting on some parties to show up. I'll just stick my head in here, so what's going on?
Glad to have you. Motion made by Commissioner Stone, second by Commissioner Carter to adjourn. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed say no. Hearing none, the motion passed. Sorry to keep you so long.